Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by pairing and getting the pencil ready so input is immediate. First, pair through settings Bluetooth, then open Notes and pick a note to work in. This connects handwriting to the app. Once done, choose the pencil tool from the toolbar and test pressure, light strokes for faint lines, firm for bold. Make sure to set double tap behavior in settings to switch tools faster. This lets you start writing without mode hunting. You'll now focus on execution. Write naturally and use tilt plus pressure for varied line weight. This mimics pencil shading and keeps your notes expressive. When editing, use the lasso to select handwriting, then move, resize, or convert to text so your ideas become editable. Once organized, add folders and tags and pin frequently used notes to the top. This prevents hunting later. Make sure to sync with iCloud so changes appear across devices instantly. Finish by exporting or sharing. Save as PDF when you want a fixed layout, or copy as text to paste into other apps. This preserves your work. If marks appear where your palm rests, recalibrate palm rejection and verify Notes recognizes only pencil input. If double tap isn't switching tools, check Bluetooth and pencil battery, then reattach to pair. For persistent jitter, replace the tip or restart the iPad. These steps resolve most hardware and connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.